Easy English Podcast. Let's start, guys.
Imagine this. You're standing up at a wedding. Everyone is looking at you. The whole room is quiet, and you're holding a glass of champagne. Your hand is shaking just a little bit. You take a breath, and you start to speak. Now, imagine your words make people laugh, and then a few seconds later, make them cry. Happy tears, the kind that come when something is said so perfectly, so honestly, that it touches the heart. That moment, that's the magic of a heartfelt toast.
Oh, wow. You didn't waste any time, did you? I already feel something in my chest, and we haven't even started yet.
That's kind of the whole point. A good toast does that. It makes you feel something before you even understand why.
Okay, I'm in. Completely in. Let's talk about this.
Welcome back to Practice Easy English, the podcast where we don't just teach you English, we help you feel it, use it, and live it. I'm Sara.
And I'm Liam. And honestly, I'm really happy we're doing this episode today.
Why's that?
Because last year, I went to my cousin's wedding, and I was asked, completely last minute by the way, to give a small toast, and I just froze. My mind went completely blank, like someone had pressed delete on everything I'd ever learned about English.
Oh no! What happened?
I said, and I'm not joking, good luck to the both of you. You're very nice. And then I sat down.
You're very nice. That is the most polite disaster I've ever heard.
It haunts me.
Well, that's exactly why we're here today. So no one ever has to say, "You're very nice" again at someone's wedding. Today, we're talking about how to give heartfelt toasts and speeches at English weddings and celebrations.
And this is not just a grammar lesson. We want to help you understand the feeling behind a good toast.
Because anyone can say words, but a great toast connects people.
Exactly. A great toast says, I see you, I love you, and I'm so glad you're in my life.
That's beautiful. And honestly, a little scary. It is scary, but being vulnerable is actually the most powerful thing you can do in a speech.
I think there are two fears. First, speaking English in public. Second, the emotional fear, saying the wrong thing or crying in front of everyone.
Exactly. And together, those fears feel heavy.
Like carrying a backpack full of pressure.
But here's something important. People at weddings want you to succeed.
Nobody is sitting there thinking, I hope this person fails.
They're hoping you'll say something real, something beautiful.
So the pressure mostly comes from ourselves.
Yes. And once you let go of perfect, everything changes.
Perfect speeches feel robotic.
Honest speeches feel human. A good toast has 3 simple parts.
3? Okay, I can do 3.
Part 1. Share a personal memory.
Something specific, something real, not just, she's amazing.
Right. Instead say, I remember when she called me at 2 a.m. because she was nervous before her first date.
That's so much stronger. It paints a picture.
Exactly. Part 2. Explain what this person means to you.
How they changed your life.
Yes. Maybe they made your life softer, warmer, or brighter. And part 3, end with a warm wish for the future.
Like sending love into the future.
Beautifully said. Here are some natural phrases you can use in a toast. Opening a toast. I'd like to say a few words.
Simple, classic, gentle.
Before we raise our glasses, I just want to say,
That feels warm and personal.
I'll never forget the moment when
People instantly pay attention after hearing that.
one of my favorite memories is expressing love. You have made me a better person.
Short, honest, powerful.
Watching you both find each other has been one of the most beautiful things I've ever witnessed. Closing the toast. May your home always be full of laughter and light.
That sounds timeless.
Please raise your glasses to the happy couple.
Okay, important question. What if you start crying?
Then you cry.
That's it?
Yes. Crying during a toast isn't weakness. It shows the moment matters.
I never thought about it like that.
If it happens, just pause, smile, breathe. You can even say, "Sorry, I promised myself I wouldn't cry."
And everyone laughs gently.
Exactly. The room relaxes, and suddenly, you're human instead of perfect. Section 8. What not to do.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Number 1. Don't begin with an apology.
Don't say, sorry, I'm bad at speeches.
Start with warmth, not insecurity.
Number 2, don't make it too long.
A good toast is usually 2 to 4 minutes.
Like a perfect song, short and memorable.
Number 3. Don't make the toast all about yourself.
You were the messenger, not the main character.
Exactly.
Heartfelt means sincere and deeply emotional. Example: she gave a heartfelt speech. 2. Vulnerable. Vulnerable means emotionally open and honest. It takes courage to be vulnerable. 3. Bittersweet. Something both happy and sad at the same time. Graduation day feels bittersweet. 4. Cherish. To deeply treasure someone or something. I will cherish this memory forever. Before we go, I want to say something. Maybe you're terrified of giving a speech someday, but the fact that you care already means you have something meaningful to say.
Caring is the whole job, honestly.
And if English isn't your first language, that makes your words even more special.
Because you worked harder for every sentence.
So remember this. You don't need perfect English. You don't need perfect words. You just need your real heart and the courage to share it.
That's all anyone ever wanted to hear.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
It really means a lot to us.
Until next time, be kind to yourself, speak from the heart, and keep going.
Even if your words feel imperfect, they are still yours, and yours are enough.
This is Sarah.
And this is Liam, and you've been listening to Practice Easy English.